guys, we are Limestone. I'm Alex.
I'm Olivia.
And this is our new original song, New Love in an Old Truck.
You are a dangerous one, and I should probably run, but now you're here to pick me up tonight. You're so mysterious, you don't believe in love, but baby, I want to change your mind. I know that I should take it slow, but I'm out of luck 'cause I'm in your truck and I'm already moving close.
Tonight's the night we're going driving. You're playing cool, but I ain't buying. It's feeling a lot like new love. Tonight's the night we'll see what we're made of. On back roads, just don't roll the windows up. It's feeling a lot like new love in an old truck.
This really don't make sense, I'm really not like this. Falling for the first boy that looks at me, but those green eyes have got me out of line. If I was standing, I'd be swept off my feet. I know that I should take it slow, but I'm out of luck 'cause I'm in your truck and I'm already moving close.
Tonight's the night we're going driving. You're playing cool, but I ain't buying. It's feeling a lot like new love. Tonight's the night we'll see what we're made of. On back roads, just don't roll the